New course about the Spark. So Spark is not storage. Spark is not a network. Spark is just data processing engine which can process data in real time as well as batch. So in this new course, I'm going to start in my coming lecture overview of Spark, introduction of Spark. It will come introduction about Spark and Spark differentiation and architecture of Spark, Spark application lifecycle, and Spark APIs, anatomy of Spark application, and then we will go through execution of a Spark application, and then understand about RDD, which is called resilient distributed datasets. It's a datasets but a resilient and distributed, and then we will go through some example. In the next lecture we will come with the Spark. Very important parts is the data frames, and then we will work with the data frame with some data, some example. In the data frame it's like row and column, so we will understand the row and column features about data frames. In the next we will go through data frames, some operations like when you do some kind of operation, sum, subtract, minus, or average. So those operation we will do. Next part in the advanced Spark, we have data sets as a data frame. There is a little bit difference, so we will understand what is the difference between data sets and data frames, and then working with some data sets, and then we'll work with the Scala and Java Beans classes, then encoder classes. And then if you guys know the SQL basic about SQL, so we will work with the Spark SQL Engine. Spark can work with the Spark SQL like ANSI standards and some example UDF. And so we will have some example of Spark example, and Spark and SQL we have views and tables. So same way how it will different from the traditional SQLs, and with Spark, the Spark SQL data source and some user defined function in the Spark SQL, and then higher order function. Then we will work with the join, union, and window function, and then closing nodes. So guys, please subscribe my channel, watch my channel. If you want to increase your salary, or if you want to change jobs, or if you want to move into data engineering fields from traditional data warehouse, please watch. And if you are PD or business analyst, please also understand the concept. It's a very high level. I'm not going to into details, so detail you can google it and do, but the concept is very important. So please subscribe my channel, help me to grow as well as. Thank you for watching.